Good afternoon, everyone. First, let me start by expressing my respect towards blackboards. I think that blackboards represent our minds, how dull and sad they are until you present it an idea, and this idea starts to enlighten, and it's the only thing you can see in the darkness. My name is Galal Muhammad Galal, and this is an oral presentation basically about me and how my mindset has developed while taking this course, Training for Professional Digital Competence, which is part of my master's studies in circular economy of minerals and construction products. Let me tell you my background quickly. I am a mechanical engineer, born and raised in Egypt, and in 2016 I moved to Hungary to get my bachelor's degree. I graduated in 2019 and immediately I joined the Amir Master Program. The first year I was studying about advanced materials and innovative recycling in FCT University in Portugal. I acquired knowledge in the fields of energy, green chemistry, material science, and waste management. Second year I moved to Madrid where I am currently based. Madrid is a very beautiful city and yet very busy. I don't even know how did they find the streets that empty to take that photo. And now I'm honored to say that I'm a graduating master's student studying about circular economy, energy efficiency, and sustainable methods in the built environment. I also had my first Spanish course and I scored 9.5 out of 10. Anyways, what I like the most about my master's program is that it's very diverse. For instance, in this course, I learned about personal, social, civic, and learning to learn competences, which helped me understand my key qualities and work on my weaknesses. I figured out that problem solving flexibility and creativity are my key competences, and that I need to work more on time management. I also learned about personal learning environment, which is basically a set of tools and technologies one can use along the pathway of his or her academic or professional career. So far, this is my professional learning environment. Having all of these tools right in front of me helped me know my interests better. Another thing is digital identity, which is basically your presence online and how to use digital tools for your professional benefits. It's like your footprint on the web. I am interested in the concept of autonomy, which refers to how much freedom will I have when I start my professional life. So, accordingly, my digital identity plan is mainly focused on entrepreneurship, freelancing, and to gain mass knowledge in the fields of design and circular economy. I have also decided to develop a business idea that I had a year ago. The idea is influenced by the management of recycled raw materials. In this course, we also learned about massive open online course, also known as MOOCs. We learned two courses, personal branding and introduction to circular economy. Personal branding offered by Kimberly Barker from University of Virginia and circular economy offered by Delft University of Technology. In personal branding, I learned to develop my mission statement. It identifies the purpose of it identifies your purpose. It explains how you aim to pursue that purpose and why it matters so much to you. And my mission statement is that I want to use science and technology to make this world a better place. Getting to circular economy is my abiding purpose, and I am privileged to say that I can use the gifts endowed to me to better our living conditions without jeopardizing the resources we have. Part of the coursework for the first MOOC was to take the personality test, which helped me understand myself better. I found out that I rely on logic more than emotions, and I'm almost 50-50 introvert-extrovert. The MOOC of circular economy made me realize that I can be an industrial ecologist, an economist, a designer, or even an entrepreneur. It was incredibly interesting to understand the potential of such economy. After this MOOC, I can say that I'm way more confident about choosing this field. 3 billion new customers will put an enormous pressure on the resource base if we continue along our current linear ways. Yes, exactly. That's why we need circular economy. It's urgent. Circular economy is remarkably promising, and few years from now, it will be the only solution. Another thing which awakened the designer spirit inside me was biomimicry. Biomimicry is basically trying to imitate natural systems to find a solution for man-made problems. Our teacher is the natural system, which can clean water, build soil, and freshen the air. Regenerative designs where humans and nature are successively in sync, water, plants, animals, landscapes, minerals, collectively, all of this must be in harmony with the human needs. Regenerative designs ensure a net positive outcome on natural systems. This course, this course helped me realize my next goal, which is to learn how to be a product designer. The Circular Economy MOOC verified the link between product design, a business model, and the supply chain of materials and services. These are the areas where I'm either interested or I already have past experience. I want to end by this quote, and I want to say that I believe that simplicity can achieve greatness. This course gave me many insights on how to relate all of my ideas and experiences together, and I feel very motivated and ready to put my ideas into action. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.